Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I'm going to be making strawberry chia pudding. So first you're going to need 1/1 cup of boiling water and 1 packet of strawberry jello. And I already put that in here. I'll put my water in there and put the jello in there to dissolve it. You just need the water to dissolve the jello. And I use this jello. It's plant-based, sugar-free, and if you're on like a keto diet or something, it's keto friendly. So yeah, that's great. And then I'm gonna need to add 1 1½ cups of pineapple juice. Now this is 100% pineapple juice. It has no added sugars, no additives in it or anything like that. So I'm gonna pour that in there. I'm just gonna stir it up. So boiling water in Pennsylvania Dutch is kookwater. Alright. Binnen zo starten. I'm stirring it. And then I'm gonna pour 2 cups of strawberry puree in it. I just took fresh strawberries and threw them in the blender and blended them all up so you have strawberry puree. If you like tapioca, if you know what I'm talking about, tapioca, all my ex-Amish friends would know what I'm talking about. If you miss tapioca, but you don't want to eat all that starch, this is your perfect dessert. Like, this is just like tapioca, but it has lots of fiber and it's actually healthy for you. So I got the 2 cups of strawberry puree. So strawberry in Pennsylvania Dutch is appelbaar. And then got 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir that in. And then we have 1/2 cup of chia seeds. So this is the ones I got. They're Simply Nature chia seeds, and they look like this. I don't know if you can see that. Like, it's just, yeah, very much a seed, a black seed. But if you soak them, they expand and they become little, kind of like little clear balls or something. But I'm going to pour that in there. I'm going to stir it up. So there were some people asking on my channel to translate some words. And I'm like, you know what, that's a good idea for like people that buy stuff from the Amish, and if somebody's kid comes to the door and you want to ask them if their parents are at home, how do you translate that? Like, is your mom at home? So is your mom at home would be, is de mam die heem? Is de mam die heem? Whereas your dad at home would be the same. It's just, is de dad die heem? So if you get to an Amish place and the child comes to the door, you say, is der mom die heem? They say mem instead of mom, and dad instead of dad. So dad would just have a T at the end instead of a D, and a mom would be M-A-M instead of M-O-M. Alright, now we're just going to pop this in the fridge. And it already looks yummy and it smells amazing. It smells like fresh strawberries. You can make this any flavor you want. This is very much sugar-free, and for anybody who's counting carbs. So chia seeds has 12 carbohydrates, but it has 8 grams of fiber. So the fiber cancels out the carbs. So you have 3 carbs. So it's, yeah, very much keto. If you're on keto, low carb, or anything like that. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge. You can do it for 3 hours or you can do it overnight. And then we just get it out and then I'll show you the end result. All right, so this was in the fridge overnight and now I have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and I whipped it all up and now we're gonna stir that in there. So we're just gonna pour it right in there.
I saw this.
Then I'm gonna stir it in.
I saw this for to put on top when you get pudding out.
Does that look good? So good.
Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious. This little guy right here. What are you gonna do? You're gonna help me taste it, try it, see if it's
Now
see if you approve.
Yeah. Now it looks pink.
Ooh.
Pink.
This is where it looks like tapioca. Yum.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum. Do you want to try this?
Yes.
All right, let's try it. Cheers. Hey! Wow, that's good. Do you want to try some, honey?
No, I'm the camera guy.
Come here! Oh my gosh, it's good.
She just got done yelling at me because I didn't hit record quick enough. You know, we're a great couple. I would say. But yeah, we don't fight, but we still got have our couple issue where we argue sometimes. I didn't even have my hand washed. Ah, that is good. I got in your eye. You started it.
Oh my god!
And that's how you do it. I'm scared.
Thanks for watching.
That's good stuff.
And please try this because it's really, really good.
Yeah. In your eyes.
I'll see you next time.